Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix keyboard keys not working in Roblox. First, a simple restart of your computer can resolve many temporary glitches. Also, make sure your keyboard's connection is secure, whether it is a USB plug or a wireless receiver. Sometimes, a loose cable or a low battery in a wireless keyboard can cause intermittent issues. Confirm that no indicator lights on your keyboard, like caps lock, are stuck on unexpectedly. Next, let us consider software conflicts and outdated drivers. You should check for and install any available updates for your keyboard drivers through your computer's device manager. Additionally, close any unnecessary background applications running while you play Roblox. These can sometimes interfere with game inputs. Many issues simply disappear after ensuring both your drivers and operating system are running their most current versions. Sometimes, the problem lies within Roblox itself. Open your Roblox game settings and navigate to the keybinds section. Carefully review if any specific keys have been reassigned or are conflicting with default controls. If unsure, reset all in-game keybinds to their default settings to eliminate custom mapping errors. This action often resolves issues caused by unintended changes within the game's control scheme, giving you a fresh start. Let us now perform some hardware diagnostics on your keyboard. Physically inspect each key for any debris, food particles, or foreign objects that might be causing a key to stick. Using an online keyboard test tool can help you identify if specific keys are unresponsive across all applications. If individual keys fail the test, or if the entire keyboard acts up on another computer, then the problem is likely hardware-based, requiring a thorough cleaning or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.